guys, it's Tiffany and today we are back with another update for the next product that I am moving on to for my skincare project. So if you're not familiar with it, very quickly, was 15 is now 16. They added one on. List of best products for under eye wrinkles. This is from Town & Country magazine. I'm testing their products out. The ones that they recommended are the best ones to treat your under eye wrinkles. No, I do not have a ton of them. Yes, I notice a little bit of aging and I am trying to prevent getting under eye injections done. I did have them done before and I'm trying to find my perfect product based off of this list of what they recommend to try. So far we have my notebook. So far we have tested out Rock Retinol Correction Eye Cream. We've also checked off the Vichy Lift Active Eyes, which is what I'm going to share an update with because I tested that out for the month. And I do test out each product for 1 month at a time and see how they perform. I've also done we did the Vichy. Vichy's done. We already did the Vichy. Now we are going to update the IT Confidence in an Eye Cream. So that will be the one that we're updating. It's been a day. And we've also done the Mario Badescu Glycolic Eye Cream, and that is so far what we've tried out off of this list. So with that said, this month, the month of December, I moved on to the Clinique. So the Clinique Smart Custom Repair Eye Treatment retails for $50. I purchased it off of Ulta's website. This is what I'm going to be testing out for the month. Now I did start it on the 1st of December, as I normally start each product out on the beginning of the month. So that is the main product. So while I pick up these products, I'm also testing out other things that are in the line. So during the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty, I picked up the Clinique Moisture Surge 72-Hour Auto-Replenishing Hydrator. So this was one of the sales that they had for that sale through Ulta. So I did pick that up. And this is the moisturizer, so I'm testing this out. And then I also have this little freebie sample that they gave of the Clinique Moisture Surge Hydrating Supercharged Concentrate. So just a little guy there. So for this month, these are the 3 products that I'm using, in addition to the other products that I know do not break me out or cause any havoc on my sensitive skin. So that is what I just wanted to update on. That is this month's skincare project, little challenge to see how they do. And as I said, the video that I post at the end of the month or the beginning of the following month, which will be January, will be the before and after pictures. So if you want to see how I'm doing so far, just take a check or take a look at the video that I will post on the results from the Confidence in an Eye Cream, because that is the one that I previously just finished up for the month of November. I cannot believe it's December already. That is crazy to me. So that is all. I will see you guys in the next one. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.